Hello friends and welcome to your Spanish Corner. In today's video, we are going to deal with one of the most frequent challenges for Spanish students. That is, when to use por and when to use para, as both prepositions mean for in English, or so we are told. So let's get started. Let's begin with the basic difference between por and para. Imagine this point as an action, a situation, or a fact. This fact has an origin, a cause, or a reason, and also an effect, a purpose, or a final goal. We normally use por when we are referring to the cause of something, and para when we talk about the effect. We'll understand better with some examples. No pudimos salir al campo por la lluvia. We couldn't go out to the country because of the rain. The rain is the cause or the reason why we couldn't go out to the country. Therefore, it's por la lluvia. Now let's see an example of para. Juan está estudiando mucho para llegar a ser médico. John is studying very hard in order to become a physician. Here, to become a physician is the effect or the final goal of studying very hard. Therefore, it is para llegar a ser médico. To know the cause of something, we can ask why. In Spanish, ¿por qué? Why didn't we go out to the country? Because of the rain, por la lluvia. As for the effect or purpose, we can ask for what purpose. John is studying very hard. For what purpose? To become a physician. Therefore, para llegar a ser médico. That's the basic rule. Let's now see these two sentences. He comprado este libro por ti. He comprado este libro para ti. Both phrases are correct and could be translated as I bought this book for you. However, the meanings are different. In the first sentence, por ti is the cause or reason why I bought this book. It could be that you had told me to read the book, for example. As you can see, the cause happens before the action. First you told me about the book and later I bought it. Instead, when we say he comprado un libro para ti, it means that my purpose or goal when buying the book is to give it to you. Therefore, para ti. The effect or purpose, in this case to give you the book, occurs after the action of buying it. So, in the examples we have seen, por means for, but also because of, and para means for, to, or in order to. Well friends, I think it's better to finish this video here. The important thing is that we understand this basic rule between por and para, cause and effect. In another video, we'll learn the use of these two prepositions in other situations. So, if you have enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to this channel for new Spanish lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta pronto!